Hey, what's up guys? Sick here today. Yeah, so I definitely sound disgusting right now, so I'm gonna apologize for that. But, you know, these came in, and I didn't want to wait until I felt better to open them. So, yeah, we're gonna hop right into these. So these are the Adidas Marble NMDs. I'm really excited for these, actually. They're a little bit newer. They retail for $170, but I got them off StockX for $70. We got the Adidas logo right here in a different material. For some reason, it's off-centered. Like, I don't know. That's kind of weird. Got the Adidas logo on this side. Blank. Nothing on the bottom. And then it's kind of like the Yeezy box where it pulls out from here. So we got size 12. The NMD R1 PK. Let's open these up. Ooh. Alright, so let's check these boys out. Ooh. Whoa, these are whack. Okay, so first impressions. First impressions, the material it's made out of. Honestly, I think I'm a little disappointed in it. It looks kind of faded and worn almost. I don't know. I mean, they're really cool. So they've got these are really different than the other NMDs I have. So it looks like on these strips, it's gonna be like a little bit of a minty color instead of a white. We got the verified tag. So they come with this little cardboard shits right here. And then there's no little insole. It's just straight to the bottom. It's that minty color all inside. And it just says boost. And then there's little holes so you can see the boost. It's pretty cool. I like that. Alright. All minty on the inside. The laces are pretty cool looking. I like these laces a lot. They come with extra laces that are just solid black, but I think I definitely like these laces more. The pattern is really cool, but like I said, I mean, I'm a little disappointed in the texture because, like, it's just obviously it's a piece of cloth with like printing on it, so it just, for some reason, it just looks a little faded. But I mean, other than that, they've never been worn, obviously. I like that minty on the bottom. This is interesting right here, the way that these are attached. Alright, so I mean, it seems to be a decent shoe. Little disappointed in the printing, but that's okay. Other than, oh wait, what's this? Uh-oh. Looks like, I don't know if that's glue or a scratch. There's some damage on my shoe. That's upsetting. StockX, what the heck? StockX. Got the Adidas logo right there on both shoes. And then got that plug there. So yeah, I guess I'll toss these on my feet and see how they feel. Alright, so these are the shoes right here. First impressions of them being on my feet, they feel very, very big. Compared to the other NMDs I have that are also 12s. Maybe once I lace them up a little bit, they'll feel better, but I don't want these like crazy tight. Alright, now I've got these all laced up. I can't say that I'm a fan of the way that these lace. It's really small, and I have a lot of excess lace, and they don't tighten very well. I'm trying to think of other knots I can do to make this look slightly not is like awkward. I don't know. And these are big ass shoes, I'll tell you what. Like my last NMDs I ordered were 12s, and they fit me really, really well. And these are 12s also, but these do not fit me really, really well. When I'm standing up, I mean, my freaking toe is like here compared to, yeah, so these are both size 12s, and I have a lot more. I feel like I'm swimming in these. They are comfortable. They're a little big, so I mean, I have room to grow into them, which isn't a bad thing. Overall, I say I really like the shoe. They're going to be pretty hard to match, I think. I don't know what type of clothes I have that I'd wear these with, but I mean, I'll figure it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next epic video. Haha.